Hi everyone, Benazir here. Today we are making a DIY with a paper craft. For making this, you need a color paper. Fold the color paper into half. Fold it half and then open it again, and to the central line fold both the sides. When you're done folding both the side, turn over the paper and fold it like this as shown in the video. Now you have to fold it as we had shown in the previous video, like a fan like structure which I used to tell it. We have to fold like that. It have to be in the equal folds. Folds have to be in the equal sizes, so press it properly so that your fold should not open in between. And guys, even YouTube have opened my comment section, so please, if you want to suggest me something, comment down below. And coming back to the video, once you are done folding like this, open it, press properly, and then you have to open the side layers. Open the side layers carefully. First layer you have to open, and then make a V-like structure by opening it carefully. Make a V-like structure, and then again you have to repeat all the same process with the second layer. And then you have to open the between layer. You have to press it, turn it over and press it properly and open it. Now you can see a W. You have to repeat all this process on other 4 color papers, and when you have 5 W's, apply a glue on it and paste it towards each other. I have pasted earlier, so I have been shown in the video. As you can see, press it properly and join the corners by applying a glue on it. Now you can see it is a circle. When it comes into a circular shape, you can see the round, a colorful DIY craft. This you can also use for your decoration. Hope you liked it. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell for further updates. Thank you.